Class 10th Statics, Chapter number 14, Exercise 14.3. Exercise 14.3. Question number first. The following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Find the mean, median and mode of the data and compare them. Monthly consumption unit in a unit is a number of consumers. Here monthly consumption is 65 to 85 is equal to 4. 85 to 105 is 5. 105 to 125 is 13. 125 to 145 is 20. 145 and 165 is 14. 165 and 185 is 8, or 185 and 205 is 4. Their monthly consumption unit given है और number of consumer की list out है. So we solve it. Firstly we find its mean. फर्स्ट हम मीन कैलकुलेशन करेंगे, उसके बाद हम मीडियन एंड मोड को कैलकुलेट करेंगे. तो सॉल्व आउट करते हैं इसको और ध्यान से देखिए सबसे पहले मिड वैल्यू हम निकालते हैं. 65 प्लस 85 जो है टोटल ऐड करेंगे और मिड वैल्यू निकालेंगे. तो 65 प्लस 5 इज़ 70, 7 और 8 50, 150. 150 का मिड वैल्यूज जो होगी वो 75 होगा. इज 75 एंड 105 और 85. 105 85 190 90. सो 95 मिड वैल्यू इज 95 एंड 125 130 230. 230 का आधा हो गया 115 एंड 145 प्लस 5 150 और 60 70 160 270. सो 270 का हाफ होगा 135 एंड 165 प्लस 45 इज 300. 645 and 165 is addition. So 65 plus 5 70. तो 310 का होगा हमारा 310 का 155 मिड वैल्यू एंड 185 एंड 165 का एडिशन करेंगे तो हमारा इसकी हाफ वैल्यू जो होगी वो होगा 175 एंड 205 प्लस 185 को ऐड करेंगे, 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो इसकी वैल्यू जो आएगी 195. हम इसे चेकआउट कर लेते हैं एक बार. 75 में 20 जोड़ दिया 95, 95 में 20 115, 115 में 20 तो आपका ऐड किया तो 135 प्लस 20 155 एंड 155 प्लस 20 इज 175 एंड 175 प्लस 20 195. दिस इज राइट. सो वी फाइंड हेयर डी आई करने के लिए हमें इसका जो है मीन ए देखने के लिए हमारे पास 3 नंबर्स ऊपर से और 3 नंबर नीचे छोड़कर हम ए बनाते हैं 135. Here is A. A is 135. Here A is 135. So we DI निकालते हैं हम लोग. DI निकालने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? Here DI is equal to XI minus A. So here XI is 75 minus 135, which comes here 135, this comes here 60 minus 60, same again 95 minus 135, get 40 as 90 115 minus 135, get 20. So we put a value here, put the values. 75 माइनस किया था हमने 135 में से, so our answer is minus 60, and here minus 40, here is minus 20, here is same values, so 0, here 20, here 175 minus 135 is 40, and here 195 is minus, here is 60. So here number of consumer given है, which is our FI, multiply 64 is 240, and 5 4s are 20, 200, 13 2s are 26, 20 0 0, 14 2s are 28, 8 4s are 32, and 6 4s are 24. So here we कैलकुलेशन माइनस को हम एक साथ ऐड कर लेंगे, हमें मीन वैल्यूज मीन निकाल रहे हैं. सो हेयर ऐड करेंगे तो वैल्यू ऐड करते हैं यहाँ. हेयर 0, हेयर ऐड द माइनस 0, so 0 is and 6 4 10, so 0 6 4 10 0, and 3 to 5 5 to 7 700, and quotient values is 0, 8 to 10 10 4 14 14 14 0, 14 the 4 1 carry 3 3 6 7 8 8 here. So positive numbers is greater than minus value, so 0 4 8 में 7 गया 1, so 140. Here we write here summation FI summation fi di is equal to 140 एंड कैलकुलेट करते हैं इसको fi 4 5 9 9 10 11 12 12 और 4 16 16 और 8 24 and 24 and 4 28 so 8 number 28 2 to 4 5 6 68 so summation fi I is equal to 68. So here we find mean calculate by assume method. So here assume method mean is calculation a plus summation fi di oblique summation fi. Here our a is 135 summation fi or di our 140 and summation fi is 68. So we solve it. A is 135, fi di is 140 and 68. So we divide with 4 numbers. 4 3s are 12, 135 plus 140 oblique 68. 4 3s are 12 and 4 5s are 20. 4 1s are 4, 4 7s are 28. So 35 को हमने 70 से डिवाइड किया. Here 35 divide by 17. So 17 2s are 34. So 1 here 0.0. Again we take 0. So double and 17 5s are 85. 85. So here 5 and 9 is say 8 here 1 150 and 17 8 is कर देंगे तो 136. So here we find mean 135 plus 2.058. एडिंग करेंगे तो हमारा मीन आएगा 137.05 और eight. This is our mean, and here again question table is ready. We find median. Here monthly consumption in unit or number of consumers are given. Cumulative frequency हम निकाल लेंगे 65 to 85, 85 to 150. So हम cumulative frequency को find कर लेते हैं. Here cumulative frequency is that here this is number 4 and 4 5 9, 9 and 13 22, 22 20, 42, 42 and 14, 4 to 6, 4 1 5, and 56 plus 8 is 64, and 64 plus 4 is 68. So here our n is 68 and given. So we find here median. So median is our n number 68 and n by 2, 68 divided 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Here CF, which is cumulative frequency, is 34 से less than CF 22, 22, and F is equal to our 20, and L lower limit is 125. So here L is 125, F is 20, and median is formula is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF into में H upon में F. So we put the values. Our L is, look here, L is 125, L is 1, n by 2 is 34, minus CF is our 22, F is our 20, H is differences, so H is our 145 minus 125 is equal to 20, so 20. We write this value, H is 20, 34 minus 22, and F is 20, L is 125. So we solve it. Next, so here 125 plus 20, here calculation is 125, here 34 minus 22 oblique 20 into में 20. So 20 divided 20, and here 125 plus 4 में से 2 गया आपका 2, 3 में 2 गया 1. So answer is 1, 5 to 7 and 2 1 3. This is our median. Median is 137 unit. Here we calculate mode. Mode is that, calculate the mode. We find mode here. Frequency f1 of the maximum number of model class is model class f1, model class f1, and here we look here f1 maximum number is here 20, so this number is our f1, and this number is this number is preceding number is f2, and this number is succeeding number is our succeeding number is 14, and L is lower limit is 130 or 125. So we write these number to find mean. Our f1 is 20, and frequency f1 f0 is preceding model class, preceding model class is our is 13, and frequency f2 is succeeding model class is succeeding model class. Here succeeding model class is 14, and the class size is again, we look here f1 is 20, f2 is 13, and f2 is 14. Class size is 145 to 125 is 20, and f2 is 14, f1 f0 is 13, f2 is 14. So we write here the numbers. f1 our 20, and f0 is 13, f2 is equal to 14, and lower size is 125, and class size H is 20. So we use the mode here. Mode is equal to L plus f1 minus f0 oblique to f1 minus f naught minus f2 multiply with h. This is the formula. We put the values here. F1 is 20, here L is 125, F1 is 20, F naught is 13, 2 into 20, F naught is 13, F2 is 14, H is equal to 20. So we solve it. 20 minus 13, 7, 220 is a 40, and minus so here we solve it. 125, 7, 10 में 7 3 and 3 में 2 1, 2 में 20, so 125 and 7 to the 40 oblique 13, so 140 divided by 13, 13 tens are 130, 0 1.0, 13 sevens are 91, so 9.0, 13 6 are 78, so this is our 125 plus 10.76 is equal to 135.76. This is mode, unit mode. So we find here सबसे पहले हमने फाइंड किया मीन वैल्यू इज our mean value is 137.058, 137.058, 137.058, फिर हमने फाइंड किया मीडियन इज इक्वल टू 137 यूनिट and mode is equal to 135.76 unit. So this comparing here, comparing mean, mode, mean, median, and mode, three measurement approximate same value, so हमने approximate same value फाइंड किया. अब हम क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड करते हैं. Here question number second is, if the median of the distribution given below is 28.5. Find the value of x and y. Class interval is 0 to 10 is 5, 10 to 20 is x, and 20 to 30 is 20, 30 to 40 is 15, and 40 to 50 is y, and 50 to 60 is 5. So we find the median, and we have given the median is 28.5. so we find easily x and y. ओके तो हम सॉल्यूशन करते हैं इसको. हेयर क्लास इंटरवल हमारे को दिया है, फ्रीक्वेंसी गिवन है, तो हम कॉम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी बनाते हैं इसको. हेयर कॉम्युलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी बनाते हैं. हेयर this number is 5, this is 5 plus x, and 5 plus 20 25, plus x, 25 plus x, and 25 plus 15 is 25, plus 5 30, 40 plus x, 40 plus x, and 40 plus x plus y is 40 plus x plus y, and here 40 is at 5 is 45 plus x plus y. Here n is given 60, so we find, and we have given median is 28.5. median is given, so we use them here 28.5, and our n is 60 n by 2, so 60 by 2 is 30, here 30, and less than 30 is value CF is our 5 plus x, here F is our 20, and here L is 20. So here we write here lower limit is L, this is 20, lower limit 20 of median, here L is 20, and N is our 60, N is 60, CF cumulative frequency of preceding class preceding the median is equal to CF preceding median is 5 plus x, and F frequency of median class is 20 and class size H, class size is H is 30 minus 20 is equal to 10. So here median formula, so our n by 2 is equal to, n by 2 is 30, then L is L is our 20, and yeah, CF is 5 plus X, F is equal to 20 and H is equal to 10. So median formula, median L plus n by 2 minus CF oblique में F into में H. This is a median formula. So L is our 20, L is 20, median also given 28.5, n by 2 is our 30, CF is 5 plus X, F our 20, H is equal to 10. Here 20 minus 28.5 minus 20, and here 30 minus 5 minus X oblique 20 into 10. So 0 cancel. Here is 28 minus 20 is 8.5, and 30 minus 5 is 25. So 0 cancel. 8.5 multiply cross multiply 2 is equal to 25 minus X. 8.5 multiply to 70. So minus X is outside कर देंगे तो 25 minus 70. So 8. X is our 8 numbers. So here X is 8 and here X our 8, and we look the frequency here, sum of cumulative frequency is equal to sum of cumulative frequency is our sum of cumulative frequency is that, look here, sum of cumulative frequency is 45 plus X plus Y. 45 plus X plus Y, which is given 60 numbers, n is 60. So here 60 minus 45 is equal to X plus Y. Send 10 minus 5 we have 5 and 6 4 get 2. Here 45. So here we equation 1 and this is equation 2. We put equation first, in second we get 25 plus x plus y. X value is 8. X value is our 8. Here 10 में 5 5 and 5 में 4 1. There is a 15. So here is a 15. Here is a 15. So our y value is 15 minus 8 is 7. Y is 7 and x is equal to 8. So we easily find x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 7. This is our answer. We have easily find, and you make practice make easy. Thank you. Again repeat the look here. 28 20 minus 25 minus x 2. So x value is our 8 and y value is 60 minus 45 is 15, x plus y, and we put here x value and we find easily. So x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 7. So easily find. Thank you. Make it easy sum. Thank you again.